Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam, and for today's summer barbecue recipe, I am making a low-carb potato salad. I say that in quotes because there is no potato in this salad. It is actually made with cauliflower, but I promise you, you won't miss out on the potato at all. So if you guys love summer barbecue recipes, please subscribe and keep watching. All right, welcome back. So for this low carb potato, I put it in quotes, salad, I have in front of me steamed cauliflower. I just buy a big bag from Costco and then I pop it in the microwave until it's nice and soft. And then I have 6 hard-boiled eggs. So that is going to be our base. And then over here I have our sauce. So I've got some light mayo on the bottom, mustard, celery, green onions, and pickles that I've diced up. And then I added about a couple tablespoons of pickle juice as well. And then I will add a little bit of black pepper. That should be good. And a little bit of salt. That should be good. And then to add a little bit of spice to this, I'm gonna add just some Fix hot sauce. Or sriracha sauce, and then give it a good mix. Okay, that looks perfect. We'll taste later for salt and pepper and adjust to your preference. And then over here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a potato smasher, use it to smash my eggs. Or mash. Is it smash or mash? There you go. And then I kind of like bigger chunks of egg whites running throughout it, so I don't do it too much. All right, that is it. And now we add in our sauce. There you go. And then we will mix it all up. Okay. All right, that is nice and well mixed together. You guys, look at this. Who could even tell that this is not a regular potato salad and that this is cauliflower? It looks exactly the same. You'll be able to fool anyone. So I'm gonna do a little taste test. I'm gonna just put it on a little cracker here. Get a good piece. There you go. You guys, that is absolutely delicious. And honestly, you don't miss the potato at all. And I guarantee if you try this, this is going to be absolutely a hit at your party. You have to take this to your next barbecue and people will be so amazed that it's a low carb potato salad. So if you guys love summer barbecue recipes, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life. Oh, I want a big piece. Tastefully balanced.